just let it all fall down. Someone will catch you if you fall away. Give it all away. Give it all away.
War policy is successful policy.
Eradicate feelings.
Shopping around the mall has purpose.
Thinking is deceiving.
The primary purpose of university and college is profit.
Eliminate financial regulations.
Sex decays society.
Think tanks know what's best for us.
The Earth's resources are inexhaustible.
Deny root causes.
Love, $1.99. Money, priceless.
Genetic engineering corrects nature's imperfections.
They hate us because we are free.
Civil liberties threaten national security.
Drone all homes but our own.
War is worth it.
Truth is a lie.
Can't afford it? Drop dead.
Business, the constituent of consequence.
Torture is not torture.
Rape in the ranks? Just fine with us, thanks.
Fear is the answer.
We are truly free.
Feeling serves no concrete purpose.
Profitless mountains, priceless coal.
Meditation through medication.
It takes a man to take a life.
Thanks before people.
Dissent is treason.
Disappear better than dying.
Our minds are unreliable.
War is peace.
Care, soon to be cured and corrected.
The enemy is everywhere.
Celebrate exceptionalism.
Polluter nations are better than non-polluter nations.
Economy, me.
Gonna do it.
Gonna do about it.
Gonna do about it.
Gonna do about it.
Gonna do about it. Do it.
Gonna do about
Gonna
it.
do it.
What are you?
Gonna do it.
Gonna do it.
Gonna do it.
Gonna do it.
Gonna do it. Gonna do it. Gonna do it. Gonna do it.
Gonna do about it.
Gonna do about it.
Gonna do about
Gonna
it.
do about it. Gonna do 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 it.
You don't need me.
No one cares what you think. This morning, the sun circling anew, slap of a branch against the river surface. I hold solid stones up to the light, some underground brilliance lent to me. Why does it matter so how we are loved as soon as our heads crest forth, and how we give up on loving again and again, how we place ourselves first? We are indeed hard wanting. We are unwillingness and need. Which other seasons are underway on this earth? How many more sunrises, sunsets will grace my sight? How many women, men are giving birth at this instant? And how many palms are pressing together, and which mouths are weeping, and which hands thirst and hold dirt? How many storms, how much tension in the universe in this moment? A seed in spring, a fire blackening the earth, an animal dying, a war. How to speak above the river current, above the tide of man against man. How to recognize the force of water. As I think a sound is complete, it returns. I walk with certain responsibility to wind and ground. At times my sheer physical weight frightens me. I am a mass like all masses, blood and tissue wrapped up in memory and intent. What are we, after all? Only insistence and words, a crying out. Struck by this living, we all become poets. We are a narrow light down the hall, a ritual whisper at night.